Hello everyone. This week we have brought two exciting job opportunities for freshers in the data analytics field. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel to receive regular job updates for both freshers and experienced data analysts. Also stay till the end of the video because the second opportunity is a full-time role exclusively for freshers. Let us start with the first opportunity. As you can see on the screen, this is an internship role, but if you perform well, you will also be considered for a full-time position. This opportunity is from Infrabyte Consulting. It is a 3-month remote internship with a stipend of 14,000 per month, which makes it especially attractive as very few companies offer paid internship in this domain. You will receive an internship certificate, and based on your performance, maybe you will also be converted into full-time employee. An important point to note is that the candidates who are currently pursuing graduation or who have recently graduated are also eligible to apply. This is truly a dream opportunity for freshers. The skill requirements are exactly what a data analyst is expected to know, like familiarity with Excel, Python, SQL, and no additional complex requirements are mentioned. Now let us move to the second opportunity, which is a full-time employee role. The company name is Soul AI. It is a firm that builds advanced AI solutions. The key responsibilities include analyzing AI-generated data insights, working on reports and dashboards, and performing data validations. One aspect that truly stands out is that you would be reviewing AI prompts related to data cleaning, exploratory data analysis, and other analytical processes. This means you will be working at the intersection of AI and data analytics, which will significantly strengthen your career profile. The skill requirements are standard and it is aligned with what most data analysts already possess. To apply for both opportunities, simply click on the apply button available on the LinkedIn page and complete the required details. The link to the application is given in the description of this video. So thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe for more such updates.